Dumepensa si PBBM sa batikos ng ilang kritiko na wala namang bago sa kanyang bold reset sa gabinete. Ligtas naman si Eduardo Año sa balasahan. Narito ang agenda report ni Ivy Reyes.
Mananatili sa gabinete si National Security Advisor Eduardo Año. Bagamat wala pa ang fourth tranche ng cabinet reset ni PBBM, kinumpirma ni Palace Press Officer Claire Castro ngayong umaga ang assessment ng presidente sa NSC.
Ayon po sa ating Pangulo, and I quote, Secretary Año has been doing or has been having to deal with health issues ever since the time of the pandemic. However, he has kindly agreed to stay on in the NSC as he feels. And the President agrees, our President agrees that he can continue to do the fine job he has been doing.
Matatandaang dawit ang pangalan ni Año sa nabanggit na core group ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla na naghanda sa pag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. Sa core group na ito, walang nasibak sa balasahan dahil rejected ng Pangulo ang courtesy resignations ni Remulla at Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro. Paalala ng Pangulo, talagang hindi isang bagsakan ang announcements niya ng appointments dahil
I have to explain that it's not a cabinet revamp. What we really did was we are still in the process of examining. Now, nasa baba na tayo. What happened really here was that I put everyone on notice that you are basically all on probation.
May mensahe rin si Yusek Castro sa gabinete.
Kung hindi natin naaabot ang target, kung walang aksyon, kung walang resulta, papalitan.
Para sa agenda, Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.